Hi everybody! So I wanted to share with you guys my peanut butter, that's a peanut butter cream recipe, raw vegan recipe. It's really tasty. It's essentially the same recipe as my Krispy Kreme donut cream recipe, which is in my Make It Raw recipes playlist. If you guys want to check that out, tons of recipes, just sharing with you guys for free, just because I want to share. I just want to share it with you guys, and it's a shame not to share, you know. And that recipe is so good. And so this is essentially the same thing, only I added peanut butter powder. This for me, it's the perfect amount of fats, and it's just the perfect amount of peanut butter flavor for me. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's really tasty. I highly recommend you try it if you want, if you still like to consume nuts and even some powders and stuff. Okay guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy. So the first ingredient I'm putting in there, you guys, is 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Next, I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of peanut butter powder. 2 tablespoons is 1 serving, and you most certainly can put more in if you want a stronger peanut butter flavor, or you most certainly can use just regular peanuts if you want it to be much higher fat and more of a, I guess, strong peanut flavor. But I like the flavor of peanut butter powder actually a lot better. Next, I'm putting in 3 large medjool dates. Next, I'm going to put in half of a frozen banana. I highly recommend you use frozen bananas because frozen bananas just makes everything creamier and at the perfect temperature at the very end. So like I said, I'm putting in half of a frozen banana. Next, I'm going to put roughly half of a cup of Taste Nirvana real coconut water with the pulp. It adds a little bit more creaminess because there's little coconut bits in there, but I really love this type of coconut water. I know it's in an aluminum can, but I know they also come in jars, but at this round of my shopping I couldn't get the actual jars, so I had to go with the can. And otherwise I most certainly would love to get it from the fresh coconut, but I'm going to put in, this is the best I can do, so I'm going to do just about half of a cup. Oh, there we go. So we got some little coconut bits in there. Then I'm going to use my hand blender to blend everything up because it's just the right amount for me, you guys, and I love my hand blender. Guys, it is darn ready, and I can't wait to get into this. This is so delicious. I love this combo. My mouth is watering. This is so delicious. Now you most certainly can add more coconut water to make it more into a smoothie type form. This time it's actually really nice to have it in like a cream form, and it's so good when you take your dates and dip it in also. Oh my gosh, this is so like, oh my god, it's like, you know, there's peanut butter, but then there's a peanut butter cream. This is a peanut butter cream. So there's a distinction between just plain peanut butter and then a peanut butter cream. And this is like the cream, like when you have a donut or a dessert, that it's not like a pudding, but it's a cream, like a donut cream. But this is just a peanut butter version of it, and it's like, oh, it's so heavenly. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Dang, that's a peanut butter, guys. That's a peanut butter. Alrighty everybody, so remember to love being raw, put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I will see you guys next video, okay? Bye guys!